Some people may just see dirt, but there's all this activity going on beneath our feet that we don't even realize. There's a whole living ecosystem within that soil that is helping to support that plant growth. Millions of different types of bacteria, fungi, they're all interacting with each other and performing different functions, taking nutrients that are in chemical forms that the plant can't use and converting them into forms that the plant can use. My mother told me, "You liked playing in the dirt when you were little, but I never thought you would take it to this level." My name is Audrey Gamble. I'm an associate professor at Auburn University in soil science. As researchers, there are a lot of challenges that we still have to address. I think there's a tendency to think that all farms maybe manage their crop the same way, but we have such a diversity of soil types and climates within the Cotton Belt. We have to be able to work with farmers to kind of fine-tune what works in their systems in order to create the best end product. Within crop and soil sciences, we hear the use of terms like regenerative agriculture. What we're talking about are practices which build up the soil so that they can be used by future generations, as opposed to practices which degrade the soil and make them less productive over time. Examples of those practices can include conservation tillage, where we're disturbing the soil less. It can also mean cover cropping, where we're planting a crop in the off-season to protect and build up the soil. It could also mean using good crop rotations, which helps to break up plant diseases. It helps to break up insect and pest cycles. These are all examples of practices that help to build up the soil. When I think about growing up on the farm, I loved being on a tractor. I loved being able to manage the soil and grow crops. I just didn't see how I could connect it with a career for myself. It really took me getting involved in seeing the research that goes on to show that there's so many other careers within soil science. So my message to young students is to not discount agriculture. There's a lot of complex challenges that we face, and we need really smart young people to help solve them in order to support our food and fiber production for the future. We're all benefiting from agriculture. We all have to eat. We all have to wear clothing. And so we all need to understand a little bit about the importance of protecting those resources.